If you are running a membership program on Skool, for example, you're charging $97 per month for your live coaching, group coaching program, or whatever your niche is, right? And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can set the Skool affiliate feature now for your own membership program, so your members can be referring more members come into it, and these members who refer more people, right, can be paid monthly commissions as well for them inviting more people. And I will show you now here on Skool how to set it all up and how it all works. First of all, for this to work for you, you're gonna need to have an active Skool community, Skool membership, for which you are charging people monthly fees. So you should be collecting monthly fees for people, for members to be part of your community. Here in front of me, I have my PL Mastermind, which is the new community of mine. I'm growing it very nicely and slowly now from scratch. You're gonna go here into settings then, and you're gonna go under the affiliates setting, and you're gonna turn this affiliates feature on. It was off before, right? You could select a commission from 10% or 50% per month here that you're gonna give to your members. So when a member is gonna invite another person to join your program, right, your member is now gonna get 40% per month paid into their account for them referring that new person into your program. Now let me show you how that will be done from a member's perspective. I have here a dummy contact here in my Premium Life Mastermind, right? And this person who is a member of our membership program, they will go to the invite people here, and they can get their own referral link. That's one way of how they can get to their referral link, right? They're gonna copy this and they're gonna send it to that person who they are inviting into your Skool, right? The other way of how people can get an invite link is to go under their profile here, affiliates, and in the section of affiliates, they can see the referral links for all of the communities that someone is part of, right? So that is the Premium Life Mastermind one. That's the one we're gonna copy right now. We already copied it, right? Now your member is gonna send the invitation link to the new person, right? And I have changed the price to $1 per month here, so we can test this correctly, right? And it says up here that this new person is being invited by your member, right? So that's how we know that that person who is gonna, the new person who's gonna pay right now, the commission will be given to the member of yours. And the new person will click join the program here. They're gonna create an account, maybe they already have it. The new person now just joined the program, and the member should receive a 40% commission. And you as an admin can go under your members in your Skool community, right? And you can see that that new person was invited by the member. So you could click here membership, and you could check the payments history, and you can see here now how the $1 was distributed, right? Of course, there were some fees for this transaction, and then the affiliate, this person, right, the member, received the $40, and you are left then with the rest. Now here, if we refund the payment to the new person, right, both you and the affiliate, this member of ours, right, would lose the commission, and the whole $1 would go back to that new person. So if we switch now to the member's profile, right, this contact, this member can go to the affiliates section of their profile, and here is where they can see, your members can see the affiliate commissions coming in. As you can see from Premium Life Mastermind, this person just received $40 from the John, the new person that came in, right? Now, this money is held at Skool for 14 days, right? So they can prevent refunds and disputes and stuff like that. And then after 14 days, the member will see the money here in the account balance, right? For example, I'll switch now to my dashboard real quickly. And when the money is available here, right, a person can simply click pay out, and the money will go to their bank account. The member doesn't need Stripe or PayPal or whatever. They will just put their bank account down, and they're gonna receive this commission payment, right? So that's how the money can be on demand sent to the member or whoever is referring more people into our programs. So you see, that's how the Skool affiliate system works on the Skool app, right? You are the owner of the membership program, you have your members, and if they invite more people to become members, right, this member will get, let's say, 30-40% commission then paid into their bank account the way that I just showed you. I just showed you how you can set this up for yourself. So if you have an active membership program on Skool, right, you can just go to settings and enable the affiliate feature, so you are now sharing the commissions with your members. There is a few other things that I want to tell you related to how the system works. Only your members can refer more people to join your membership program, right? An outsider cannot be sending people into your program. This helps us avoid spam and stuff like that, right? And wrong people inviting the wrong people into our programs, right? Only active members can be referring people into our program. Now, if a member invited a new person into the membership program of yours, they're gonna be receiving that monthly commission, let's say 40% forever, ongoingly, right? So this is a lifetime affiliate commission that they are getting, and you cannot change it any other way yet. I think the only thing you could do is, if you have it at 40% right now, you could then switch it back to 10 or whatever percent, and they would start getting 10% from that time onwards instead. But people won't be happy if you decrease their monthly commissions then after, right? So I would want you to just stick to the game that you chose to play. Now, if a member would cancel the membership subscription to your program and they would leave your group, they will lose all the commissions as well. So that's why I already mentioned before right there, your members will want to keep staying, paying you, right? So they don't lose the commissions. Now, with the Skool affiliate program, you don't need to worry about any kind of technical stuff at all. Because we've seen other affiliate systems, right, where you request to be the affiliate and then you get your link and you need to fill in this and that. It's just very technical, right? With Skool, it's very simple. Skool does it all for you. Your members just send invites out to other people, those join, and Skool pays out your members, right? You don't need to worry about splitting commissions and stuff like that. It's all automatically. Another thing is that you could get in non-members, right, just by inviting them via their email, right? So someone wouldn't even need to be paying you, right, to be an affiliate for your membership program. There are useful scenarios for that, right? I'm just bringing this up, right? So let's say you have a spouse, right? You can just invite them in. They don't need to be paying you, right? And so on. So another thing we already mentioned before, the earnings, they are held for 14 days, right? And then they are available for a payout to that member. And I already brought this up as well before. If you refund that new person, right, even the affiliate will lose that commission. That's pretty much all that we wanted to cover in this video. If you have any questions, ask them down below. And if you would like to come into my free supports community where we all grow together and we build membership programs, find the link down below. I have a free course and we can interact more there as well. I will teach you, show you, help you how you can grow your membership program to 10, 15, 20 people paying you, or then go to 100. Find the info down below. Let's support one another. If you have any questions about the Skool affiliate stuff, comment down below, ask away.